morning, guys. So as you see, earlier we foraged some of the greenery from outside. There you go. That's the greenery that we foraged earlier. Hannah and I. Yeah, this thing is very kind of hurt. There's a lot of thorns on it. As you see, they have these tiny sharp needles. So you need gloves. And there you go. We got some berries. I'm going to decorate our mantle here. So you guys stay there and watch how I decorate the mantle here. Push this. I hope everyone are having a wonderful week. As the weather and days outside are changing, life inside our home is in crawl. And it's time for me to do something more homemaking, creating something special to make our home more livable, comfortably, cozy, and warm. Today, I'm doing more Christmas decorating. There you go, guys. This is how we start. So first, I'm going to put the pines. So there is no pattern, there is no guide, there's no wirings and all that. So I'm just gonna put everything together and organize it nicely. So for now, I'm starting with the pines. So it's not very complicated. We should balance everything. Make sure everything is in the right direction. Just kind of it smells really good. Now I'm going to the different texture of leaves. So there you go, guys. This is the ivy. I'm gonna just cut some of it. I'm going to put the other pines, like this one, the sharps. It's very sharp. There you go, guys. Next, I'm going to put the berries. I'm gonna put them there. We hydrate the oranges the other day, and we soaked it in cinnamon powder. And it smells really good. And also the other day when we made the pine cones, there it is. So we soak this in the cinnamon powder too, and it smells amazing. Yeah, literally. Now that the mantle is done, and I still have a bunch of greeneries left, and finally I'm gonna use my natural wreath rings that I bought from last year during sale season. Now I'm going to make a wreath for our kitchen.
Yan guys, so napakarami pang natira. Yan, so ilalagay din natin ito dito.
It's getting cold, just look at the falling snow. There's season's greetings, happy meetings, oh, and a little bit of mistletoe. They're decorating the Christmas tree with a star up top for you and me. Can you hear the sleigh bells? It's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. Way up north, they're making toys for every little girl and boy who mailed in letters, 'cause they've been better, so much better than the year before. Santa's crossing off every wish, even moms and dads have made the list. Can you hear the sleigh bells? It's Christmas time. The sound of sleigh bells on reindeer only come this time of year. With Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen, run, run, Rudolph, all you will be missed when Santa Claus gets his paws on his red sleigh. When his elves hear the shouts, he'll go flying on his merry way. He's spreading joy all along the route, all around the world in one night. Can you hear the sleigh bells? It's Christmas time. It's Christmas time.
What would you like?
The sound of sleigh bells on reindeer only come this time of year. With Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen, run, run, Rudolph, all you will be missed when Santa Claus gets his paws on his red sleigh. When his elves clear the shouts, he'll go flying on his merry way. He's spreading joy all along the route, all around the world in one night. Can you hear the sleigh bells? It's Christmas. Hear the sleigh bells? It's Christmas. Hear the sleigh bells? It's Christmas time. Oh, can we give it one more time?
Merry Christmas!
The day's light fades quickly and darker nights are longer. The winter is setting in, and the nature allows itself to sleep. But for the most of us, including me, I always allow myself to be busy, especially this time of the year. As I am growing, I have a lot of memories decorating our home during this time with Nanay. Creating more space and putting more decoration make our kids appreciate the seasons so much. It will be a happy, nostalgic moment for them someday. Organizing and putting away the things that we don't need and putting in what we need. After the renovation and makeover of this room and adding decorations, now it feels more livable, comfortable, and warm. What a wonderful place to be. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on Monday.